Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to update your email on Ulta Beauty app. We will also include a link in the description below for our favorite Ulta Beauty products. To start, open the Ulta Beauty app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened, you will see a Sign In button at the middle part of the screen. Tap on Sign In. On the fields provided, enter your email address and password. Once the email address and password are entered, tap on Sign In. On the lower part of the screen, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Account. Under your account, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Personal Info. Under Personal Info, you will see an option that says Email. Tap on Email. On the first field provided, enter the new email you wish to use. Then, enter it again on the second field to confirm. Once the new email is entered, tap on Save. That's how you update your email on Ulta Beauty app. Also, check out our favorite Ulta Beauty products in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.